Okay, we're out here camping, and typically I use our 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready with the kind of scissor stand. But last night we were at Costco, and Costco has a specific camping Costco package. It was actually quite affordable. It was, I think, 198 bucks, and it's a 20-inch. And I've always wanted this version where it's kind of like the suitcase. Right now I have the griddle off, so I'm looking at the burners, and I'm really impressed with the way these burners are set up. I feel like it's going to heat this griddle up pretty quickly, but and it uses the same propane adapter, and it also comes with the stand, which I'm not using. I'll tell you why in a minute. I'm not using it at the moment. It comes with the plastic spatulas because it's not the rolled steel griddle top. Came with a carrying case, and of course that propane adapter, which I've never used because I don't use the little green bottles. And then here's the legs that just snap right in to this. This screws into the bottom of this, but I don't really want this right now because we're at a campground that has a bench. It has adjustable feet on it, which is nice because I had to adjust this for the table to get it somewhat level. Because if you've ever used this non-rolled steel version, it's super slick. So you put eggs on there, and those eggs will just kind of glide right off. I tried the electric version and ended up taking that back because it didn't get hot enough in the very cold weather that I was in at the time. So I'm excited to try this one out, and let's get some cooking going. And one thing I noticed is, I'm not sure I'm gonna like, the drip tray is much smaller than the other one. So I'm probably gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna put some aluminum foil in there so it'll be easy to clean, because I don't know if Blackstone actually makes the little trays for these, the little drip trays, or not. So I'm gonna go get some aluminum foil, put that in there. And with the aluminum foil, it's kind of messy looking, but it's gonna work, I believe. First impressions. First thing I'm cooking on this thing is the bacon, and as you can see, man, it's super slick. So I'm happy about that. I had to heat up really high just to get it hot, and then I turned it all the way down because the thing heated up really quick. So we'll see how this does. All right, I flipped the bacon once. This is the Costco thick cut bacon. Typically it's pretty good. I've had some bad batches. Super slick, which has been really nice. As you can see, there is some splatters, which is gonna happen on the back, so I definitely need to make sure I clean that off. Not like last time on my old ones where it just builds up over time and then starts dripping down into the ground. So yeah, so far so good, and I still have it on all the way low. Final product, they turned out really good. Curled up a little bit, but that's typical in any bacon. Here's the mess that was left over. I am going to be throwing on some ribeye, chopped up ribeye. Basically, we make steak bowls with that. And I'm just gonna leave the bacon grease on there. I'm just heating it up pretty good right now. I want a good sear on all this meat. So we'll see how this does. As far as the drip tray, it's pretty much empty still. Okay, one thing, it is 20-inch versus, I believe that's a 22. I don't know, I've owned, what, 5 or 6 of these different Blackstones already, but being a 20-inch and cooking this much meat is a little bit difficult because it's so slick to get up in there and flip them, you know, and kind of mix it around. I'm trying to be careful. Oh, I just lost a piece back there. So it's just I gotta be a little bit more finesse conscious. Maybe I shouldn't cook as much, probably better so we don't eat as much, but what can I say? We're carnivores, so we eat a lot of meat. And yeah, so far it's cooking really good. You can see nothing sticking. On the other old school one, or the other ones, the main ones that we use, the previous one, I guess, the rolled steel, I'd have a lot of the seasoning sticking. And the seasoning I use is garlic powder, pepper, and salt. And that garlic powder really stuck to it, no matter how well I season that thing. So, very happy with this so far. I think cleanup's gonna be super easy. And I just took off the heat, so I turned it off. And man, I'm very impressed with this thing. I think even in very cold winter, this is gonna work out really well. The way those burners are set up, it heated this thing up really quickly. The cleanup was a breeze. I didn't even, this stuff just kind of comes right off. And I'm using just the plastic spatula. Of course, I don't want to use my metal scraper on this. So I'll probably order a plastic scraper just so I also have a scraper, but I'm gonna let this cool and I'll wipe it down with a paper towel, I think. Unless you guys have a better way to take care of this thing long term. Since it's not rolled steel, it's a different material. But otherwise, very impressed with this thing. I think it's gonna work out good. More videos come.